It gives me so much joy to see the participants become stronger, but we're also learning the fundamentals of what it takes to deliver a program to our community. And then we can use this skill anywhere we go. We can implement not just Otago, but any program.
The Community Engaged Physical Therapy class is a 2-course series. In the first course, our students get to learn about community engagement principles and frameworks. Our students will then implement all of those principles into a community partnership. With Oregon Adaptive Sports, we're helping to keep the volunteers and instructors healthy so they can help support the adaptive athletes through the ski season and mountain bike seasons. And then our other community partner is Central Oregon Otago program, where our students help deliver the Otago balance exercise class to decrease fall risk for older adults.
Not only did I feel like it was a great opportunity for us to provide something for OAS, but if anything, I think I came out of it with so much. I think one of the biggest areas of growth has been confidence backed by competence. The entire DPT program does a really good job of giving you a lot of opportunities to interact with people in your community that I'm so unbelievably grateful for, because I think it's the most reflective of what we're going to do in this career that we're so passionate about.
With my DPT degree, my dream is to go back home, where I'm from, San Jose, bridge the gap between DPT and communities that don't have access. It could be through language, through the resources, to treat them or get them back to work, keep providing for their family. I want to help all families in that aspect.